Hello, welcome to One India News. People who have gone to coma or are at deathbed will be entitled to passive euthanasia. The Constitution Bench of the 5 judges of the Supreme Court has ordered that if a person suffering from an incurable disease has given a written will in connection with not living on the equipment, it will be considered valid. The Supreme Court said that who will follow the will and how this kind of desire will be fulfilled by the medical board, the guidelines in this regard have already been issued. The Supreme Court said that the guidelines and instructions issued on its behalf will remain effective until there is a law for passive euthanasia in the country. The Supreme Court reserved the judgment on October 12th in this matter. The bench that comprises Chief Justice Deepak Mishra, Justice A.K. Sikri, Justice A.M. Khanwilkar, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Ashok Bhushan gave this judgment. The cases of euthanasia are of two types: passive euthanasia and active euthanasia. In case of passive euthanasia, a person who lives in the unconscious state and is on the life-saving system is allowed to die from the permission of his family. Doctors can decide if there is no family member. Active euthanasia is a case of non-recoverable illness in which a patient is given death by his will. There had been no hearing on active euthanasia in the Supreme Court. Let us tell you that euthanasia is illegal in most countries of the world, including European countries like Britain, Spain, France and Italy. Countries where the law of euthanasia is present are USA, where active euthanasia is illegal, but in Oregon, Washington and Montana states, euthanasia is allowed with the advice and help of the doctor. Switzerland, where you are allowed to commit suicide by poisonous needles, though euthanasia is unlawful. The Netherlands, where euthanasia and assisted suicide both are legal. Belgium, where euthanasia has been legal since September 2002. That's all in this video. For more news and updates, log on to www.oneindia.com.